Hello and welcome to this sectoral preview of consumer goods sector. I am Ankit Soni, research analyst at Mirae Asset Sharekhan. The consumer goods sector is showing clear signs of recovery, but where should investors focus their attention this earnings seasons? And which stocks are well positioned to benefit from improving demand trends? Stay with me till the end because I'll also be sharing the sector's top stock picks. Let's begin. The outlook for the consumer goods sector remain positive. Q1 FY27 is expected to see a broad-based recovery driven by improving demand, urban normalization, and steady rural consumption. Growth is also being supported by premiumization, distribution expansion, quick commerce, e-commerce, and selective price hikes. Overall, the coverage universe is expected to deliver a revenue growth of 11.4% year-on-year, with profit growth of 12.2% year-on-year. So starting with FMCG staple companies, revenue is expected to grow 11% with adjusted profit likely to grow 9.1%. Companies should benefit from better volumes, resilient demand across rural and urban markets, and continued premiumization. Among the standout names, Nestle, Marico, Godrej Consumer Goods, Zydus Wellness, and Dabur are expected to show strong top-line momentum. HUL and Britannia are likely to deliver steady growth, while ITC may see some impact from cigarette tax reset. Margins are expected to remain broadly stable as pricing actions and cost efficiencies offset inflationary pressure, although cost pressures could become more visible in the coming quarters. Now moving on to liquor. The segment is expected to post revenue growth of 13.8% and a sharp 39.7% in adjusted profits. Among the liquor stocks, premium brands continue to outperform, which should benefit players such as Radico Khaitan and allied blenders and distilleries. However, higher packaging cost and continued brand investment could limit margin expansion. On the positive side, lower Scotch import duties under the India-UK trade agreement could support margins later in financial year 27. The paint segment is also expected to report a strong quarter. Revenue growth is projected at 14.4%, while profit growth is estimated at 15.5%. Healthy decorative demand, volume recovery, and industry-wide price hikes have supported growth. Asian Paints and Indigo Paints are expected to deliver strong double-digit growth, although investors should continue tracking raw material inflation and pricing discipline. Now, let me ask you a question. Which consumer goods stocks are you most bullish on over next 12 months? Let us know in the comments and tell us why. Coming to key stock ideas, the preferred picks in the sector are Tata Consumer Products, Godrej Consumer Products, HUL, Marico, ITC, Asian Paints, Varun Beverages, and Radico Khaitan. So, the big takeaway is that consumption trends are improving, growth is becoming more broad-based, and most companies are entering Q1 from stronger position than they were a year ago. While input cost pressures remain a factor to watch, the overall sector outlook remains constructive. If you found this preview useful, explore more research calls and reports in our official WhatsApp channel. Click the link in the description. Do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.